Hello students, today's topic is different types of plants. You must have seen a lot of plants around you. Some grow on land like the mango tree, peepal tree, banyan tree. Some grow on water like the lotus, water hyacinth, water lily, water chestnut. Some give us fruits and vegetables. Can you identify the fruits here? Jackfruit, mango. And vegetables too. Brinjal, carrots. There are so many fruits and vegetables that we see around us every day. Some give us flowers. For example, here in this picture, you can see hibiscus, sunflower, marigold. I'm sure you have seen lots of flowers around you. Some give us medicines like the tulsi, pudina, neem, aloe vera. These are called medicinal plants. Some climb up like the pea plants, the grapevines, the cucumber plant. While some crawl on the ground. For example, the pumpkin, watermelon, muskmelon. Some have thorns to save themselves from plant-eating animals like the cactus, wood apple, rose. There are a variety of plants around us. All of them are helpful to us in one way or another. All the plants are divided in the following categories: trees, herbs, shrubs, climbers, creepers. Trees. A tree is a tall plant with a trunk and branches made of wood. For example, mango tree and banyan tree. How are they different from other plants? Let us see. Plants have soft stems. They are shorter and do not live long. Whereas trees have hard, woody stems, generally taller, and live for a long time. So, all trees are plants, but all plants are not trees. Think about it. Herbs. Any seed-bearing plant which does not have a woody stem and dies down to the ground after flowering. Some of the examples are pudina, tulsi, coriander, etc. Do you know the banana plant is the largest herb? Shrubs. A woody plant which is smaller than a tree and has several main stems arising at or near the ground. For example, cotton plant, rose plant. Climbers. Climbers are plants which climb up trees and other tall objects. Can you see the picture here? A plant is climbing up the stairs. For example, money plant, cucumber plant. Creepers. As the name suggests, these are plants that creep on the ground. They are very fragile and have long thin stems that can neither stand erect nor support all its weight. For example, watermelon, strawberry. Now let us see what are the differences between all these categories of plants. Trees. They have strong woody stem. Herbs have soft green stems. Shrub stems are thick but not strong as trees. Climbers have weak stems and creepers also have weak stems. But climbers climb up, whereas creepers crawls on the ground. Trees lives long. Herbs dies after flowering. Shrubs can live longer than herbs, but not longer than trees. Climbers and creepers live for 2-3 years. So let us see how much we have learned. Let us revise. Can you identify this picture? Yes, it is a picture of a tree. Now, how do you know it is a tree? We know it is a tree because it has a thick, woody stem called the trunk. It is tall. It has many branches and lots of leaves. Therefore, it is a tree. Now, can you identify this? It is a herb. And how do you know it is a herb? Because it has a soft stem. Which is generally green in color. It has branches. It has flowers, and this plant will die after flowering. Can you identify this plant? It is a shrub. We can identify shrub because it has many stems. Arising from the ground. It has a thick stem stronger than a herb but not as strong as a tree. It is tall, not as tall as a tree but taller than a herb. This is a climber. How can we identify it as a climber? Because the plant is climbing up with the help of a stick. That's why it is a climber. The stem is weak. Next, we come to the creeper. How can we say that this plant is a creeper? Because here also the stems are weak and the plant is crawling on the ground. That's why we call these plants as creeper. I hope all these categories are very clear to you. Now, whenever you will see a plant, you will be able to identify it as a tree, herb, shrub, climber or creeper. Thank you for watching the video.